In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move deals automatically in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Automating your deal movements can save you time and help streamline your sales process, so let's dive right in. First, let's log into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar menu. You'll notice an icon that looks like 3 dots. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu where you can find a lot of useful features, but for our purposes today, we'll be focusing on automations. So go ahead and select the Automations option from that menu. Now that you are in the Automations section, you should see an option that says Add Automation. This button is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. By clicking on it, you'll be taken to a new workflow canvas where you can create your automation. Now it's time to set up your trigger. A trigger in Pipedrive is essentially the event that will kick off your automation. For example, you might want to move a deal automatically when a specific field is updated. To set your trigger, click on the Setup panel and choose the event you want to use. This could be something like updating the deal value or changing a milestone. Just make sure it corresponds to the specific condition under which you want the deal to move. Once you've set your trigger, it's time to choose the action. Click on the Action field where you will specify what happens next. In this case, you'll want to select Deal as the item to update. After that, you will choose the Update Deal Fields option. This tells Pipedrive precisely what you want to change. Next comes an important step, setting the stage or status for your deal. Here's how you do it. Look for the field labeled Pipeline or Stage. Click on that, and you'll see a list of available stages in your pipeline. Choose the exact stage you want the deal to automatically move into. This could be something like negotiation, proposal sent, or perhaps another stage you have in your pipeline. If you'd like to update the deal's status as well, say to open, won, or lost, you can do that in this step too. Now that we have configured the trigger in action, it's time to wrap things up. Take a moment to review your workflow and ensure everything matches your intentions. It's essential to confirm that your automation does what you want it to do. Once you're satisfied, look for the Save button in the top right corner of the screen and click on that. This saves your new automation, so it's ready to go. Finally, don't forget to activate your automation. There should be an option to set it as active. Once you do that, your automation is all set, and Pipedrive will handle moving deals for you automatically based on the criteria you've defined. And there you have it. You've successfully created an automation in Pipedrive to move deals automatically. By following these steps, you're not only increasing your productivity, but are also ensuring that your sales process runs more smoothly. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.